Mayhem is coming.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today here we are at the Mountain Mayhem event. We're headed down to the mud bog. It's already started raining, so everybody's going to get wet. Everybody's going to have a good time. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this kind of content, man, hit the subscribe button for me, hit the like button, turn the notification bell, comment down below. I appreciate all you guys for watching. I'm kind of worried about the audio with it raining and stuff like that, with water getting the mic. We'll see how it works. Still going to be an awesome video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I say we get after it, man. These people are lined up. They're ready to go. I'm ready to go. Let's do this thing. The rain's definitely starting to pick up a little bit, but we got our first contestants lined up here. Can-Am versus Can-Am. Here we go. Next up, we got Kawasaki Tshirts versus Honda Talon. Man, this guy's soaking wet and he ain't even hit the mud yet. The old six-wheeler there. We'll see how he does. He's up against a Razor in the right lane. The Razor's smoking him. He's having a hard time out through there, guys. He's just having a hard time. Let's get a little closer and see how he's doing down there. Man, he's pretty stuck, but I think he can work through it. He's just getting through here slowly but surely. Look at that, guys. A little hard work pays off. Determination. Next up, we got a Walkie versus Can-Am. The came out of the hole hard, but he's bogged down now, and the Can-Am's coming around. Can-Am takes it. Looks like we got a Honda Talon versus CF Moto. CF Moto took out of the hole hard. He bogged down there out in the middle. It's going to be a close race, guys. It's going to be a close race. What's it going to be? Left lane. OG Maverick versus a four-seater Razor. OG Maverick came out of the hole fast. Man, they're out there in the middle. They're battling it out right now. The rain is pouring down, and the right lane wins. Razor takes it. Next up, we got Portable Machine on the left, and we got a, looks like a General on the right. Portable Machine's coming there pretty quick. He loses. All right, we got an X3 here doing a test run, a buy round, if you will. We got a Terex versus an X3. Here we go. Terex comes out of the hole fast. Oh, it's a four-seater X3. X3 should have it. Oh, wait. What's that blue smoke I see? That's a belt. That's a belt going down. The Terex wins this one. The underdog gets it, guys.
All right, we're going to get back on track.
We got a four-seater Honda Talon versus a Razor 1000. Man, this is going to be a close race. Both of them are bogged out coming through there. They're neck and neck. The Razor gets it. We got OG Maverick in the left lane, a Kawasaki Terex in the right lane. OG Maverick takes him.
Alright, here we go.
We got a Maverick Sport in the left lane and an X3 in the right lane. The X3 came out of the hole super fast. That is a fast X3, guys, and it wins easy. She's going to be tough to beat. Next, we got an X3 versus a YXZ. They're hitting it fast and hard. Here we go. X3 wins. Now we got a two-seater Honda Talon versus a four-seater KRX. You don't see very many of those machines out there. KRX has been going through the mud pretty good, though. That's a surprisingly good machine in the mud. The left lane's a CF Moto. The right lane is a Honda Talon. This is a close race. Flagman signals for the Honda Talon. We got our Players Journal versus an X3. Looks like the left lane's going to take it. Alright, we got a Portable Terex versus a non-Portable Terex. Portable Terex is going to take this thing, guys. Razor versus an X3. X3 sounds mean. X3's going to win this one. OG Maverick versus an X3. This is going to be close. Old G Maverick's coming out on top. He wins it. Honda Talon versus a 4-seater Razor. Honda Talon's taking this one. He is taking him to the cleaners. Gapplebees, if you will. YXZ versus Honda Talon. The YXZ's bogged down. Can he come out? I don't know. Nope. Talon takes him. We got an X3 versus a Polaris Razor. The X3 in the right lane looks like he's fast, but the Polaris Razor barely squeaks him out somehow. We got a Honda Talon versus a KRX. KRX is taking this one, guys. He wins it. We got the X3 in the left lane that's been fast. We got a Polaris Razor in the right lane. Here they go. Man, this X3's been fast all day. All day. And she wins. Four-seater KRX versus a 2-seater Honda Talon. I got a little water on the camera. KRX comes out on top. This is the finals. Can-Am versus KRX. And I don't think the KRX stands a chance. X3 is way too fast. Alright, here's the finals for the portal machines. Can-Am takes it. Oh no, he left it in 2-wheel drive. He's going to make up some ground.